Hey guys, on today's video I'll be showing you how to make coconut oil at home with these easy steps. Watch this video as I take you through the process.
This is my coconuts already broken and then sliced, ready for blending. This is my warm water, then this is what I'll be using to do the blending. This is me putting the coconut. Hope you see now the coconut is, I've already sliced it. So in here. I'm going to be going in with my warm water. It looks hot, but it's warm. This blade is really sharp. If you can't do this, you can as well do this in the market. So I'm done with it, with the blending. See the blade, this is the blade that cuts it. This is hot water I'm using. You have to be careful. This is not for kids. That's the coconut liquid, and we are going to strain it. So this is my strainer. This is what I'm going to be using my sieve. So watch me. You have to be careful. You see the milk. This liquid come here, that's where you get your oil, coconut oil. And see the liquid. Make sure your hands are neat, clean. So I'm going to be putting it back and put more hot water to get the liquid. So I'm putting it back inside my bowl so that I will strain it once more. So I get the milk has not come out enough, it's not enough, so I need to use my hot water. Still going to be putting it in there. I need to strain out all the milk, coconut milk, so that our coconut oil will be hope you see what I'm doing. It's hot, that's why I don't want to use my hand. Just mix it and then careful, don't allow your shaft, the coconut shaft, to get into the side. Okay, so I'm straining it. This is the second time. This is the second time. So I see the milk coming out. That's where we get our coconut from, the milk. It's hot. I don't want to use my hand. If it was warm water I used, I would have used my hand to press it. And I'm just using the spoon. One of my subscribers wanted to know how to do coconut oil, so this is the demonstration. It's very easy. If you don't want to go through some of the steps I did, just get your coconuts, take it to the market and have them blend it for you in the market if you don't have this blender and you don't want to stress yourself. So this is the third time. After this, I'm not going to be rinsing it again, because after this I can see the water is a bit clear now. I think we've gotten all our coconut milk, but let me just do the third time to be on the safer side. Don't want to lose any of my coconut milk, because I need to get as much coconut oil out of this. Okay. See, the water is almost clear. That means our coconut milk is all. So here is our coconut milk. This is where we get our coconut oil from. I'm done with it. I have to cover it and leave for 12 to 24 hours. I'm just going to leave it, cover it till the following day. So this is 11:44. So tomorrow morning, or tomorrow 11:44, the same time, I'm going to be taking it out from the refrigerator. So that's it. So this is my coconut oil after 24 hours. See how it looks. So I'm going to be, this is my pan, going to be taking this hard, I don't know how to describe it. See, it's hard. This is how you get your coconut oil. You can see what I'm doing. Water is under, you can see that water. This is what we use in getting our coconut oil. Just gently scrape. You can see it. You can see this. This, see, has demarcated itself from the water. Just be careful so that you get your coconut oil. You have to be careful that you will not carry the water. That's it. That's our coconut oil. I'm doing hot press. I'm going to see the water. Still trying to filter out this. Still much there. Just trying so that I won't get in much water. It's not difficult. It's very easy to do your coconut oil at home instead of the store-bought coconut oil, because sometimes you need to know if it's pure coconut oil instead of the mixture. You just bottle some oil and say it's coconut oil. So I'm still trying to get the remaining stuff out. I don't know how they call this, but I'll call it milk. Congealed milk. So after that, watch as the oil is trying to separate from this white substance. Just watch it. You can see it's very. The water is also trying, the little water that entered is trying to dry up. You see everything is going to be oil. Then this white part will separate everything. You don't see the oil one side, the shaft, or that shaft. Should I call it shaft one side? Just watch this. See how the oil is boiling? Has not yet finished, still looking milky, but just watch it. It's going to change to oil. See it boiling there. The oil is gradually moving to one side. Just watch it, you'll see. You've seen it. The oil, seen the oil that's separated from the other mixture. See the oil one side. Hope you can see the oil. I'll be scooping out the oil now. You can see the oil here. You can see the oil. If you can see the oil, as a pure coconut oil. If you can see it. This is the outcome of the coconut after taking out the coconut oil. This is what's remaining of it. This, you dispose of this and wash your pot. Sorry. Then this is the coconut oil I was able to get from that.